Hi. So now in this problem, if you observe, he given that L is equal to 1 power 2n, where n is actually greater than or equal to 0. So let us take that one. So try to understand what he given notationally. Then constructing it is very simple. So where n is greater than or equal to 0 actually. See, try to understand language of words. What words we are going to have in this actually. So if you observe first, because n is starting from 0 actually, n is greater than or equal to 0. If I substitute 0 here, 2 into 0, 0, so 1 power 0, that is empty string, epsilon, is it? And after that, if I substitute 1, minimum length onwards, let us build the all words in the language. So if I substitute 1 power 2 actually, that means 1, 1. Then if I substitute 2, 2 into 2, 4, that means 4 ones, 1 power 4. So like that, if you observe 1 power 6, 1 power 8, so like that it is continue. And what is your understanding? If you see, this is 0 length, this is 2 length, this is 4 length, this is 6 length, like that 8 length. So all even length once you are collecting actually. So for that you have to construct the DFA. So assume here language of what are the alphabets you are using in this language is only one. Assume that. Okay. So in that case, what is the DFA? So the first thing is, let us take the first state Q naught. And if you observe, initial state is Q naught. If you observe, 0 length words are also there in the language. So that is why 0 length means initial state must be final state also, because 0 length is possible, right? And then next onwards, if you observe, this kind of DFAs we already constructed. See, remaining is, see, if you observe remaining, it is the multiplication of 2 actually. So in that case, if you see, if it is odd length, number of ones in the word is odd length, then it must go to the Q1. That is what on 1 you are going to Q1. So that you can observe on 1 it came here. That means 1 length. And then next if you have one more 1, then it is coming to the Q naught. Is it? So now you can observe that if it is odd length, it is always at the Q1. If it is even length, always at the Q naught actually. Is it clear? So that is what the DFA for given L actually. So how simple? Always try to construct the language of words. Then it is very easy to construct the DFA actually. Okay.